Alright, here's another super quick tip, unfortunately via my cell phone camera. But my diamond stones were getting real dirty. I wish you'd seen them. They're all gunked up with metal. I wasn't quite sure how to get it off. A paper towel and soap wasn't doing it. And I thought, hey, how about one of those magic eraser things? Yeah, that did the trick. These stones were literally this color down the middle. And now I've taken it all off with the magic eraser. After cleaning these, they cut 4 to 5 times faster than when they were dirty. I'd actually forgotten how quick diamond stones can sharpen. Oh, here's a little bonus tip. Lately, for lubricant instead of just water, I've been doing a squirt of ballistol in water and shaking it up and then dribbling it out the hole of this cap. It's been working really well for floating away the metal and slightly inhibits rust. Hope this helps. I should also note that my stones were already dirty by the time I started using this solution, so I don't think it made them any dirtier.